Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a poll on Telegram. So it's very simple and easy. Open Telegram, then you should open any your Telegram chat or channel. Here you will see in the very bottom a little icon here. Tap on it, and in very bottom we can see poll. Tap on poll. Now enter questions. For example, I write test. Now we should add a new answer, first answer, second answer, and another. As you can see, I add first answer, second answer, third answer. You can add any of you want. For example, you want multiply answer, enable, just swipe the slider to the right side, and of course you can enable quiz mode. Swipe the slider to the right side. Also you can add explanation. User will see these comments after choosing a wrong answer. Good answer for educational purposes. I just disable quiz mode. Alright. Next step, in very top you will see send. Tap on send and we create a pool. As you can see, here is a pool. We can anonymous pool. We can answer, for example, 2. And here we can see how many people vote and of course percentage of voters.
If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.